In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to Shopify's Express Checkout in 2025. This is a fantastic feature that allows your customers using Apple devices to quickly check out using their saved information, making the purchasing process seamless and efficient. Let's break down the steps so you can get this set up in no time. First, you'll want to log in to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Settings section, and within that menu, find Payments. This is where you'll be doing most of the setup for enabling Apple Pay. In the Payments section, you'll see an option to Manage next to Shopify Payments. Click on that to delve into the settings. As you scroll down through these settings, you'll come across a section labeled Wallets. This is a crucial part of the setup, as it's where Apple Pay resides. Here, you're going to want to enable Apple Pay. This step is vital because, without checking this option, Apple Pay won't be available as a checkout method for your customers. After you've done that, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that all your changes are successfully applied. Now, let's talk about enhancing the checkout experience even further with accelerated checkout buttons. To do this, you'll remain within your Shopify admin panel. Navigate again to the settings and then back to Payments. It's here under Accelerated Checkouts where you'll find an option to enable the display of accelerated checkout buttons. Make sure to toggle this option on. Why is this important? Enabling accelerated checkout buttons allows you to add Apple Pay, along with other supported options like Google Pay and Shop Pay, directly onto your product pages. This small change can have a big impact, allowing customers to bypass the cart entirely and check out directly from the product page they're viewing. It's all about making the buying process as easy and quick as possible for your customers. By following these steps, you'll provide a streamlined checkout experience for your customers using Apple devices. The addition of Apple Pay to your Shopify store's Express Checkout not only enhances convenience, but can also potentially increase your conversion rates by reducing the friction traditionally involved in the checkout process. It's a win-win for both you and your customers. Thank you for watching. Following these instructions should help you successfully integrate Apple Pay into your Shopify store's checkout options, paving the way for more fluid transactions and happier customers.